Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start question number 30B from SC Summer. So let's start the question. I am going to read the question. X Limited issued 2000 shares of rupees 10 each. On application rupees 2, on allotment rupees 5 and on calls rupees 3. Company received application for 2300 shares. Application for 300 shares were rejected. Ram, who having 200 shares, failed to pay allotment and call money. All shares are forfeited and reissued at rupees 9 fully paid up. Okay. Past necessary journal entry. So let's start the solution. The first thing is here, bank account debit to share application account. It means money received on application. So application received for 2300. So 2300 into 2. It's a 4600. 4600. Next is we are going to transfer the application money on capital. So share application account debit 4600 to share capital account 2000 into 2, that is the 4000. Company wants money from public only 4000, and the 3000 were rejected, so rejected amount is returned to the public. So to bank account 300 into 2, it's a 600 rupees. Is it clear? Now come to the money due on allotment. So share allotment account debit to share capital account 2000 into 5. Why 2000? Because only 2000 shares are allotted to public. So next entry was for receive money on allotment. Bank account debit. As we know, Ram having 200 shares failed to pay money on allotment. So beta कॉल से एरिया कितना हो जाएगा? 200 into 5. 1000 rupees is a call in area on allotment. Okay, so that's mean we did not receive money on allotment rupees 1000. Calls in area account debit to share allotment account. It's 10,000. 1000 is area, so 9000 received. Now move on the call. So first money due on calls. So share calls account debit. If you want, you write here share final calls account debit. Okay, do not worry about that. To share capital account. Okay, so 2000 into 3, it's a 6000. Got it? Now show money received on calls. As we know, Ram did not pay the money, so 200 into 3, 600 rupees also not received from Ram on calls. So again we show here calls in arrears account debit. So out of 6,000, 600 is not received, so 5,400. Now the next thing is all shares are forfeited. So we are going to pass entries for the forfeiture of these 200 shares. Share capital account debit. Number of forfeited share is 200. Called up amount on that share is rupees 10. So it's a 2,000. Money unpaid on these 200 shares are on allotment 200 into 5, it's a 1,000. On share calls 200 into 3, 600. And now money received on these shares transfer to forfeiture 200 into 2, that is the 400. Clear? So next entry is for reissue of these shares. When we are go to reissue, bank account debited. 200 shares are reissued at rupees 9. So it's a 1800. Let's see here. The shares are fully paid up. Reissued at 9 but fully paid up. भले रीइश्यू में 9 पे बेटा, लेकिन वो है कैसे? फुल्ली पेड अप. तो एक शेयर की फेस वैल्यू थी कितनी? 10, और उसमें से रीइश्यू 9 पे, तो कंपनी को 1 रुपये का क्या होगा? लॉस. इस लॉस को हम कहाँ से एडजस्ट करते हैं? एज आई एम टोल्ड you earlier, we adjusting this amount from forfeiture. So share forfeiture account debit 200 into 1, it's a 200 rupees. Now the next entry is for what? To transfer the forfeiture money to capital ledger. The forfeiture money is rupees here 400. We used from this 400 is equivalent to rupees 200. So the amount remain here is 200, that transfer to the capital reserve. So share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account is 200. Okay, got it? That's all from this question.